Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to show you all my haul from the bulk collection pickup. Got a pair of HPM 1500s, which are like the 150s, but this is the European version because they were able to separate them. So this part separates from the bottom, and then they can ship it easier that way in smaller boxes. I also got this Pioneer PL 560. It's a little broken, but it works. It plays records. So I've been testing with those little guys, powered speakers. Put this glass cover back on, which is super fancy. I have the front covers too, and they're in perfect shape. But I have cats, so trying to avoid that. But yeah, I'm gonna refoam these guys. I coincidentally just refoamed my 6x9s on my Lexus GX 470. This is my our old record player. And then I got the Sansui 9090 dB. Oh, it's unplugged. Let me pause this. Okay. Solid. So let's see. It's on Phono 2. FM. Stereo. Got it on the Dolby FM setting. That's way too loud. I do know from when they did work. I mean, speakers are on A. These are out. Loudness is in. Mono is out. FM muting is off. Tape monitor off. Of course, that's on because when you turn it off, it does not. The Dolby doesn't work. Anyway, so let me show you the back. So this is the back. I imagine this went there, right? But that's my jumpers. It also came with these like little RCA terminators, which I thought initially that might have been part of the problem. So when I plug the PL 560 into the phono, I get nothing. When I plug it into aux, I get nothing. When I plugged it into pre-out, this one right here, it did work initially without removing these. And then it shows that they're on system A, which is the speakers that I have it set to in the front. Apparently when you change channels with these, it puts them in in parallel mode and not bridged mode. It's my understanding. I did have them separated because sound wasn't working out of one speaker, but I figured that out. It's because I'm an idiot, and the little dial, the crossover dial or whatever on the speaker was turned way down, so I turned it back up and started getting sound. And so then I set everything up the way it should be set up and started everything, and it worked for like 5 seconds, and then that was it. So let me show you the inside, which is freaking clean and beautiful. You're gonna freak out. Okay, so here's the inside. I had to turn the light on. So one of the questions I have is, see all the like ceramic switches? The videos I've seen online, a lot of those aren't ceramic. Maybe one of them is. So I don't know if those are original or what, but nothing really looks like super bulgy or anything. I'm an IT guy, so I used to do laptop repair. So I know what like seeping caps and all that look like. I forget what those little guys are called. None of those are burnt. I haven't seen anything like out of the ordinary. I mean, it's just super clean for as old as it is. What is that switch? It makes me want to flip it, but of course I'm not gonna. Excuse me. Sorry, I'm from Texas and we have horrible allergies down here in San Antonio, so. I know those ribbon cables are part of this front panel and how they start connecting everything to the Dolby card or whatever. And then it becomes a mess. I don't know, I downloaded the schematics and I have no idea what I'm looking at. They're crazy. The only thing that looks like even burnt a little bit is the power, the external power. So that's the two external powers. I forget, one of them's on all the time and the other one isn't. Wasn't paying attention. So yeah, like high level view, just beautiful. Excuse me, my house is not normally a mess. The rest of my house is really clean. Just this office. So this used to be my nightstand, but then I found this a couple nights ago, and so I moved this up into my office, and which meant I had to like move all this stuff over here and cram all my computer gear and my growing stuff for our vegetable garden. So it's been a interesting past couple days, but yeah, just got it. Everything was working totally fine, and I just plugged the record player in the back, trying to like, get it to work, and got nothing. And the speakers like slowly started fading, so I was testing different configurations with the speakers in the rear to see if I could keep them both going, until I got a Bluetooth to RCA, so that way I can hook that to the rear. And yeah, and then it died, so I'm just not sure what's going on. But yeah, like all the knobs work. I can feel the knobs turning. The Dolby knob, I heard, is like a big deal on these. I can see it turns because this will go off whenever it goes to play or it goes down low. And yeah, so that's it, I guess. Oh, I have it unplugged because I have the top off. So safety second. Anyway, thanks guys.